right, welcome, Andrew.
Hello.
We are getting started here, so we'll kind of let things spool up. I think we are live. It looks like we just went live on Twitch.
I open up Twitch. Is that going to cause a?
It's all good. Yeah, just you can do that. You might have to mute the tab or something.
Okay. Oh yeah. Nice.
Yeah, it's interesting. I'm tempting fate right now by trying the newest version of Ignite. So for our demo. So this is gonna be, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's building right now.
Worst case, I'll prepare the TypeScript command to install.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Well, let me while we're waiting to kind of get some things set up here. I'm gonna let people know. I'm gonna let people know that we're in here so that we get a few people drop in. Twitch TV / Jamon Holmgren. There we go. I'll probably put it on our Slack community as well.
Cool.
I like letting those folks know that when I go live. Yeah. So how's your week gone, Andrew?
It's good. I've been wrapping up CI work.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, migrating to GitHub Actions. And
what were you on before?
They had some Jenkins server that they were running before, so just like an on-premise
Jenkins.
thing.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did my time on Jenkins.
Yeah.
We've been using
there and back again.
Yeah, we've been using Circle CI for years now.
Okay.
You know, some GitHub Actions as well, but Circle seems to be the one that we've stuck with so far. Why did my build fail? I was trying to prep for this. Of course my build failed, and of course the output seems pretty useless.
Oh yeah, that's looks like it's compiling some C++ code.
Compile Swift sources. I know everybody else can't see this right now, but hey, Flexbox, coming in from France. Actually, or he's over in Paris. Cool. Jenkins does not spark joy.
No. Yeah, my last job we had a GitLab repo.
Yeah.
Like an internal one, and the rest of the teams were using Jenkins, but we rebelled and just started using GitLab.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Because it was there. It's like we're just gonna do this. And, yeah, we have to deploy apps, so we have our own Mac Minis to do this anyway. So
yeah.
We're also gonna just have our own CI servers.
You know, at some point you have to get your work done.
Yeah,
regardless of what the powers that be might decide.
Right. And I don't think they wanted to be a server administration for a Mac Mini. So they were all pretty much either Windows or Linux people.
Okay, I'm gonna share my screen, not because we're necessarily ready to get started, but because I'm having trouble, and might as well debug this together.
Okay.
Let's see here. Oh, do I need
It's one of
to
these.
open Xcode? Is
It's
this
probably a good idea to start.
I haven't opened Xcode in months. Okay.
Oh,
Or maybe I need to open it in, open like this.
the workspace.
Yeah, exactly. So to-do realm, workspace. Let's open that. Sometimes that does it. Like you can just open it. And then it'll just, nope, that didn't work. Okay. All right. Well, let's go a little deeper.
Let's hit play on Xcode and see what do they say?
Yeah. I mean, right now I'm not seeing anything too crazy, but it's indexing, so.
But if you hit play, then it'll compile, I guess, right?
Yeah, I guess we can try that and see if it gives us something. Oh yeah, signing. Oh.
Well, that's fun.
Yeah, okay. Signing in capabilities. Okay, so.
Oh, it's because you don't have to do that if you do a simulator, though. If you change your.
Oh, okay. Yep.
TYR and put it on.
You're right.
Then
yeah, I'll just target the same thing here. Yeah, good call on that.
And then if you click down below, there's like a little circle with an X in this by the filter down there, and that'll remove all the warnings.
Yeah, yeah, good call on that.
Right.
All right, what do we got
also
here?
Source failed, the non-zero exit code. I'm wondering if this is that weird thing where you just have to add an empty Swift file into the project.
We have that.
This
is yeah, this is Expo Modules Core. Oh, you know what? No, okay, wrong. Let's just go. Whoops. What? Oh, it's Ignite CLI. That's right. And I'm on the wrong. That's why I'm on the wrong. Maverick. Pull. I have to pull down the latest. Yarn it up. And then I'm going to actually back out of this. I'm going to respin this up. So we're actively working on the Maverick branch right now. So a bunch of stuff is happening all at once. We'll do it live. Okay, so I'm just running it locally. Our Ignite thing here, so we'll just accept all of the default. Oh. To-do realm.
We gotta delete the other one.
Yeah. I have to do that backslash because I have a horror story of RMRFing my home directory once. So I'll tell you how this happened. One time I was trying to make a directory, I think. I don't remember exactly. I ended up somehow creating a folder called tilde, just a tilde.
Oh no.
In my project. And you can see this coming, right?
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, I don't want that. I don't want a folder called tilde. And so I was like, RMRF tilde.
No. And it's gone.
And the first time I noticed was Dropbox was like, yo, some folders are missing.
Oh, no.
I was like, why are folders missing? And then I looked and I was like, oh no, why is this RM still running? Control C, you know, get out of it. And I got out of it. By the way, chat, I'll catch up. Sorry. I see Derek's here. Hi, Derek. Yeah. So luckily, it had started. For the most part, it had started with the Dropbox stuff. So that was all restorable. I mean, it was just dumb luck that it started with Dropbox, and Dropbox told me, "Hey, something's going on." Don't create a directory named -r.
No.
It was like I didn't do // in front of it. Now, of course, that's totally ingrained in me, like // anytime I'm removing anything. So I aliased rm to the trash utility, which trash will put it in recycle bin instead. The problem is now I'm used to circumventing that by doing a / in front of it, which will use the real rm instead of the trash alias.
That's
so
weird.
now I'm like, oh, / rm rf tilde.
They just type that anywhere.
Exactly.
Yeah.
For some reason, Ignite is hanging on me, and the CLI is hanging on me. I need to figure out what's going on here. Josh, if you are watching, I think that's a you issue. Josh works for me. It's hanging at the end, but I know that if it gets to this thing, it's done. So it just doesn't want to exit for some reason. There's something hanging there. All right, so we're gonna see if okay, that was Yarn. Let's try Yarn iOS. This could take a little bit. If it doesn't work, then we'll have to open the Xcode and figure out what's going on here.
Cool. What version of React Native is?
It should be using the very latest. Maverick is. Maverick is the latest version of Ignite that we're working on. So.
Okay. Is it also using some Expo tools as well? I thought I saw some Expo.
Yeah, it's using Expo modules core, but that should not mess with it. I don't think.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe it will.
Maybe it will. Yeah, we'll cross it when we come to it. We might have to use the release candidate of Realm. That's fine.
Because we're not going to be using Expo itself. It's just to integrate with Expo, like third-party libraries and stuff.
Okay.
So, okay. While that's happening, I'm going to... well, I'm going to try to yarn start here, and I'm going to code this. I guess we already have it up. So we have an app just to kind of bring you through a little bit of Ignite here, so you're familiar with it. We have an app folder. We have components, and these are kind of the built-in ones. This is currently being moved to a new format, so the folders are actually the ones that haven't been converted yet, and then the rest of these have been converted to the new. We have a whole new like component rewrite for the built-in components, and those are things like buttons and headers and icons and things like that. We have a config folder. We can configure things. We have internationalization. We use Malbec state tree for state management, and so this is where they live. Our navigators, our screens, and there's a few kind of that come with it, and API service, Reactitron, some theming stuff like colors, spacing, timing, topography, and then just some utilities that we use, and then an app tsx folder or file, which is where everything kind of loads up, and we shouldn't have to do too much here unless we need to add a provider or something like that. So, but this is kind of where things kind of kick off. And then our welcome screen, is here. But a lot of this stuff can be, replaced once we get to. This failed too. Is that a different error? The device is locked. Okay, I'm just gonna
trying to.
Oh, it's trying to load into.
Trying to connect to your phone, right?
Why would it do that? Do you know why it would? I've never had it try to do that. That's really strange.
I haven't connected to my device in a while.
Yeah. Okay, maybe just. Okay, yeah, maybe it is Expo modules. But this is without. This isn't even with Realm. This is just a
no. Yeah.
Expo modules. Okay. All right. Plan B. We're not going to be using Ignite.
We got this. We're gonna use plain React Native, I guess.
Yeah, we are. and we'll use TypeScript. npx React Native init to do Realm. We'll go ahead and, or do I need to?
And then dash template React Native template TypeScript.
React Native. Sorry.
Template.
Mm-hmm. TypeScript.
Yeah, React Native template TypeScript. And
okay,
then,
cool.
That work with an equal sign? Or
should, yeah.
just a space. Okay.
I think both work usually. Everything I've been very confident about has not worked, so you know. Cool. So Andrew, you live in Germany. You said kind of rural Germany. So it is
rural Germany. Yeah.
Your Friday evening that you're giving up for us. Appreciate it.
Yeah. 7:20 p.m. right now.
Yeah.
Just got done with dinner.
Yeah. I'm just getting started with my day.
That's nice.
My business partner Gant, he gave a really good. I actually had to bail a little early, but he gave a really cool presentation this morning to our team about basically an algorithm for like solving scheduling for a coffee shop, like baristas for a coffee shop, which is a fun problem. Like each barista has different like preferred shifts. You don't really want people working 2 shifts in a row. Oh, Gant's listening. Awesome. Yeah, I have to watch the rest of that Gant. And Flexbox says Wunderbach. It's the only German word I know. What is Wunderbach? I've heard of Wunderbar.
A Bach is like a stream, or like a little creek.
Do you mean Wunderbar?
Sure Wunderbach is. Maybe it means Wunderbar.
I feel like he does.
Yeah.
But he's French. You know, you gotta cut him some slack.
Does he really like streams and creeks?
A wonderful stream.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see here. So Realm. No.
Oh, it's not streaming on YouTube. Derek says
it's not on YouTube. What? Oh, I clicked the wrong YouTube button.